Hey folks, it's Miss Rogers, and today we're going to talk more about SOHCAHTOA and how to use it to find the sides of a right triangle using that ratio. So remember from our last video, we talked about SOHCAHTOA. Sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. That's our SOHCA. So cosine theta is our adjacent over hypotenuse, which is our CA. Tangent theta is our opposite over adjacent, which is our TOA. So, CA-TOA. And let's remind ourselves that a ratio is a fraction. A proportion compares to ratios when we use our cross multiply to solve it. So let's use our trig ratio to find x. So first we have to look at the picture. What ratio do you see? Do we see SO or CA or TOA? SO means we have opposite over hypotenuse. So let's look at the angle. Opposite over hypotenuse. So we have SO. So we're going to use sine of 45 degrees equal to 9 over x. Okay, so let's set up our proportion. Sine of 45 degrees over 1 is equal to 9 over x. So how do we solve that? Well, we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to get sine x times sine equal to 9. Now remember, when we put that in the calculator, we get a fraction or a decimal. So we're just going to divide by sine of 45. And divide by sine of 45. So that will give us equal to x, because that cancels, right? So now all we have to do is put this in our calculator. So we get our calculator. Get mine open. Calculator. Remember, you're going to turn it sideways. And there we go. Maybe. There we go. And you're going to type in 9 divided by parentheses sine 45 parentheses, and I have to do a second one. Enter. So 9 is equal to 12.7. I just need one decimal place. That wasn't too hard, was it? Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, so what are we using out of SOHCAHTOA? Are we using opposite over adjacent? So look at this. Opposite over hypotenuse, sorry. Opposite over hypotenuse. There's nothing over here. So we're not using that one. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Next door over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Yep, that's the one. So we're using cosine of 51 degrees is equal to adjacent, which is x, over 15. And the way I wrote it, I don't have to rewrite it because I can put this over 1. Can I now cross multiply? Sure. So I multiply that, and I get 15 times the cosine of 51 degrees equal to x. So sometimes it just depends on where you're at of what you can, either you're going to multiply or you're going to divide. So clear out what you've got in your calculator. And we're going to type in 15 parentheses cosine 51 parentheses and enter. I get 9.4 and I'm going to leave it at that. Okay? So that's how you do that. Any questions, just send me an email or a text and I will help you out. Have a great day.